Click on File and New. Select Template and Create. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Right-click and rasterize layer. Select Rectangular Marquee tool. Make selection. Right-click and click on Fill. Select Content Aware and press OK. Deselect the selection. Select Pan tool. Follow the process. Hold down Alt and move the handle. Hold Alt and click on Anchor Point. Hold Alt and click on Anchor Point. Right-click and click on Make Selection. Press Ctrl+J for making duplicate. Select Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle and change color. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click and click on Distort. Follow the process. Decrease opacity. Follow the process. Increase opacity. Double-click on rectangle thumbnail. Copy the height. Select Rectangle tool. Click and paste the height. Change color. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Follow the process. Right-click and click on Distort. Follow the process. Decrease opacity. Increase opacity. Double-click on first rectangle thumbnail. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Fix the image. Select Horizontal Type tool. Follow the process. Font name Cambria. Font style bold. Hold down Alt and drag it down. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name Arial. Font style regular. Font size 18 pixels. Follow the process. Tracking 0. Select Line tool. Create line by holding Shift. Press Ctrl+S. Double-click on second rectangle thumbnail. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Fix the image. Select Horizontal Type tool. Rotate 90 degrees by holding Shift. Tracking 200. Press Ctrl+S. Hold down Shift and select first and second rectangle layer. Make group. Move it up and change blend mode normal to multiply. Right-click and create clipping mask. Create duplicate. Change blend mode multiply to color dodge. Click on image, adjustment and levels. Adjust the level and press OK. Again create duplicate. Now change blend mode color dodge to screen. Select background layer and click on adjustment and solid color. Select book image layer and change blend mode normal to linear burn. Hold down Ctrl and click on book thumbnail. Click on mask. Select brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black. Deselect the selection. Double click on color thumbnail. Change color. This is the final result. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.